Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warranty Wise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford Focus Zetec S for a little test drive. Keyless start on this one, so your foot on the clutch, press the engine start stop button there. Car fires up very nicely, so away we go. We do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. The clutch and the gearbox feel good. Suspension's really nice, even though this is a bumpy road. Brakes feel good. Steering feels spot on, so the car is driving exactly as it should. It is a really nice car to drive, the Ford Focus. Ford do think about the driver and how easy it is to drive, the feedback. Just a really nice car to drive. Practical as well, spacious, plenty of boot space. Now this one's got the Sat Nav on display there, as you can see, on this large 8-inch colour touchscreen. Really nice Sat Nav system. That is a factory upgrade. On there you've also got your Bluetooth for both hands-free and audio streaming. You've got DAB radio as well as FM and AM, CD player, USB port, so loads of different ways to connect your devices. Air conditioning, leather multifunction steering wheel, heated front windscreen, great for the winter and when your windscreen gets a bit misty. Plenty of power. Car is driving absolutely lovely. Yeah, it's going to make a lovely car for someone. You won't be disappointed. And here we are back at High Auto. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.